Incident response process, step-by-step breakdown with Santa's Christmas prep. This Christmas, Santa made sure it was ready for any cyber surprises, with Akitra guiding each step of the incident response process. 1. Preparation. Like checking Santa's sleigh, Santa ensured systems were secure before the holiday rush. 2. Identification. Santa used Akitra's tools to quickly spot any threats, just as Santa checks his list. 3. Containment. Fast actions stop the threat, preventing it from disrupting the holiday season. 4. Eradication. With Akitra, Santa cleaned up any traces of the attack, ensuring systems were secure. 5. Recovery. Normal operations were restored swiftly, keeping the holiday spirit intact. 6. Lessons learned. Santa and Akitra reviewed the incident, making improvements for next year. Learn how Akitra can help you achieve compliance quickly by requesting a demo at akitra.com.